Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your LinkedIn profile is not visible to others. Now first of all, open the LinkedIn on your mobile or the laptop or PC, doesn't really matter. Once you open it, just click on this profile button and click here the settings and privacy. Just go inside settings and privacy. And once you're inside the settings and privacy, you will see multiple options. So on the left side, you will see these options like account preference, sign in and security visibility. Now these options are pretty same or similar, you can say, in the mobile phone as well. So it doesn't really matter where you open from. So just go inside the visibility. And once you come inside the visibility, you will see multiple options. So you just need to click on this one, like edit your public profile. Just click on this option, edit your public profile. And once you scroll down, so you will see edit visibility. Now visibility is basically if your profile is visible to the others or not. As you can see, my current profile, your public profile visibility is turned on. It means that my profile is can be visited by any of the person who's on the LinkedIn like easily. So if I turn it off, no one will be able to find me through the search queries, like my name will not be listed in there if I turn it off. So make sure that your profile public visibility is turned on, and make sure that the basic required is basically name, profile photo, or public. As you can see, I've sent or saved everything to public. Now once you do that, just go back, and inside this visibility of your profile and network, there are like multiple options which you can see, like profile viewing options, your name and headlines, like page visibility is turned on, who can see your connections. Like there are multiple features who can see your last name, and there are some more features that profile discovery using email address, anyone, using phone number, anyone. So make sure that these features are turned on, and after that your profile will be set to public, and anyone will be able to find you through the link, or you can say the username. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can fix that.